Hey, what's up? This is K here for After Effects tutorial channel. Today I want to show you how to make a sky portal visual effects on live action footage in Adobe After Effects. Let's start. Go to After Effects, create new composition from footage. So go to video, and there is a lone man walking. Here is the timeline and the footage composition. Select one of the scene. I think this scene is looking better. So start from here and go to there at this place. There, and now here is select and go to composition, trim comp to work area, trim comp. Okay, select the video and go to here. Control D, duplicate, and right click, go to time, freeze frame, zoom in, mask the character like this. Like this. And turn off the audio. Here is just character. Okay, we need another copy of the footage. Maybe that is empty. That must be empty. From this scene, select, go to composition, save frame as file, desktop, save, and render, and go back to your final comp. Double click desktop. Where is the Photoshop lone man? Okay, when you play, here is the character frame match. Select and press Alt break. And now double click, import the Photoshop file, import, and press Alt break. Here is. So now you can move the character from here. Don't forget, right click, pre-compose. Before making pre-compose, right click, pre-compose, move all attributes, press OK, Alt break, and double click. You must have the bundles of what? There I have the bundles of the superheroes. Here are the superheroes. Double click. There's lighting, electric attack, portals, open, looking good. Double click, drop to composition, and move here. Press Alt Shift, scale down the size, and move it up here. Good. So let's check the other elements. What about this? Double click, select the Bifrost and press Alt, replace, and play again. Move a little bit down. So after this frame, little bit move up. After this frame, select the alone man, press P for the position, just select the alone man, move it up, play now. And after this, drop a linear wipe effect. Linear wipe. There is the linear wipe, and move it from the down direction 180, change to 0, or you can change to 180. Let's check 180. Good. So after man is moving, stopwatch, go a little bit and move it down from here. So press T, opacity, and change the opacity 0. So let's render or check the final result. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Here was the Sky Portal visual effects on live action footage. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. See you next time. Here is the character. Let's turn on the motion blur first, and let's apply time equal